Tommy Boy Worldwide. Let's go. See it through my eyes, this world ain't soft. Yeah. Money talk, street chalk, where the real ones lost. From the alleys to the towers, city lights shine. Different hoods, same struggle, every place got grass.
West bounce, palm trees sway, but the blocks ain't safe. One time rolling, trying to build them a case. Movie stars flex while the hustle stay broke. OGs on the block still selling that smoke.
Gritty X to BK, the wolves don't wait. Gotta watch your step when you hop that train. History written in the cracks of the bricks. Wall Street rich, but the project's sick.
Golden Gate glow, city wrapped in fog. Homeless on the block, tech giants take jobs. Mission Street still got that old school game. Money switch hands, but the struggle stay the same.
Ben ticks, but the time runs fast. Youngins in the ends trying to stack that cash. Feds stay watching, sees TV on lock. One wrong move, whole squad get got.
Eiffel shine, but the hood ain't posh. Cops press heavy, trying to clean out the block. Cafes smell sweet, but the streets turn cold. Kids in the burbs still dream of gold.
Outback dreams, but the city got stress. Boys in blue lurk trying to make that arrest. Bondi waves, rich folks toast. Meanwhile in the west, the fam stay ghost.
Favelas high, no peace at night. Cops and gangs, same war, no light. Latino footwork nice, that's the way out clean. Make it pro or you caught in a machine.
It through my eyes, this world ain't soft. Money talk, street chalk, where the real ones lost. From the alleys to the towers, city lights shine. Different hoods, same struggle, every place got